ZSCMALLS portable monitor 15.6-inch full HD USB-C HDMI computer display dual monitor with speaker for laptop computer phone gaming monitor for PS3 PS4's box Raspberry Pi. Ultra portable monitor 15.6 matte monitor delivers stunning 1920x1080 resolution. IPS screen with Ultra HDR option. Designed for portable with only net weight 1.42 pounds and 0.39 inches slim. Make it easy to carry, handy, best for traveling. Plug and play feature. The USB-C portable monitor has impressive feature of plug and play that doesn't require any driver installation. Compatible with Thunderbolt 3. Support mirror and split screen mode. Increase your productivity and your gaming pleasurable. Great choice for dual monitor or third screen. Smart design and case. Original protective cover which is made with a durable PU leather exterior. It is strong enough to fold into 3 different positions to create a stand. Thanks for the smart pen hole design, you can easily stand the monitor by only. Widely application portable display with USB-C, mini HDMI and USB port make it easy connection with laptops, PCs, phones, PS3 PS4, XPO X1 or switch and mouse, keyboard to play business presentations, games, videos, TV series, photos etc. No worry service 100% money back guarantee for any issue in 30 days. 3-year warranty and tech support. If you have any question, feel free to contact us. Best as business gift, birthday and back to school gift. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.